Hey everybody, it's Coach Hammett coming to you from beautiful Georgetown, Texas here in room 122. Let's jump right in it. Here we go. Multiplying a polynomial by a monomial. So we've got a polynomial. Remember, more than one thing multiplied by a monomial. So the 6y is touching the parentheses, which means we're going to distribute, which we have done a lot of this year, the 6y to everything in there. Okay? Horizontal method. This is the way I use it. I never rewrite everything because I'm smart enough and you are smart enough to go 6y times 4y squared, and then 6y times negative 9y, and 6y times negative 7. Remember, this is lobster claw or half lobster claw distribution method right here. So if you look, remember this has an exponent of 1. So we have an exponent of 1 and an exponent of 2. When you put those together, exponent of 3. Right, like that. So we're taking all that we learned in chapter 7 and applying it here to chapter 8. Okay? Looking at this, is there anything that we can combine with like terms? No, there's not, because they all have different exponents. So that was our answer. Okay, there's also the vertical method you can use right here. I am not a fan of this. I think it gets way too cluttered, but if it works for you, it works for you. Keep it up, all right? You get to the same answer no matter what, all right? So right here, just multiplying the 3x times these. 3 times 2 is 6. X times x squared would be x to the third. Looking. It looks like B is going to be our only answer, all right? Simplify this. Now, what we have to do is we have to multiply this out, and then we're looking for like terms, okay? So, wow, that's a whole lot of mess. That's why I don't rewrite it. It's just too cluttered in my opinion. I like to have this and then go straight into that answer right there. Okay, so we've got it multiplied out. What we are looking for now are the same variables, same exponents. So the 6t squared can go with the 30t squared. The negative 12t, and you're like, why is that? It's minus 12t. Or you can just look at it as a negative 12t and a 12t right there, minus 45. So what they did is they grouped everything together, all right, and then simplified. 30 plus 6 is 36. Negative 12 plus 12 is 0. That middle term is gone. And then negative 45 right there. Okay. Simplify this one out. I'm going to give you a couple seconds to pause the video and do the work. I'm sure you're all pausing the video right now. No, really. Pause the video, do the work. Did you get D? Hope so. All right. Here we go. Admission to super fun amusement parks, $10. Once in the parks, super rides are an additional $3 each, and regular rides are an additional $2. Sounds kind of nickel and diming to me. I don't know. I'd rather just pay more at the start and go ride. All right. Oh, I have no idea. Wyoming? Why not? Goes to the park and rides 15 rides, of which S of those 15 are super rides. Find the cost if she rode 9 super rides. So we're going to read it. We're going to write an equation, and that's it. Okay? Looks like it's 9 super rides at $3 each. And then we had 15 minus 9 because they rode 15 rides total. So that's the way that we can find out how many other rides they rode at $2 each plus 10. Okay? This is a lot of just working it out, thinking algebraically, thinking about the problem, and being able to get to an answer. All right? There you go. Oh, they gridded them. How cute. All right? Let's look at this real quick. There you go. Answer's B, $21,200. If we need to go over that one, we can in class. All right, so what if you have equations with polynomials on both sides? Well, we're going to get to where we solve polynomials like quadratics where it has a squared in later. right now it's just going to be simplifying it down, okay? It's going to be very simple. You'll be able to do all these. So when we distribute this out and get 12b plus b squared minus 7 equals 2b minus 4b plus b squared, we need to combine our like terms on each side, and then we need to get our numbers together. So we subtracted b squared from both sides, and it got rid of that b squared. So now it's just 12b minus 7 equals negative 2b. And that's something that we can work on, all right? We're able to solve this with our knowledge base right now of just moving the 2b over to that side and then dividing by 14, all right? And we get b as 1/2. All right, now if we want to check, we just put 1/2 in everywhere that there is a b. All right, boy, that's a nasty looking problem, isn't it? Okay, simplify it out, it works. Okay, so I want you to work this one out. This is one that that we are going to need to be able to do. Guys, we're going to do a lot of problems like this over the next few days, getting ready for working quadratics. And that's where this chapter really gets difficult. This stuff right here, it's kind of, it should be pretty basic, and we should be able to work ourselves through it. Okay. Negative 19 over 11 is the answer. Gross. I hate answers that look like that. I'd much rather it be like clean answers. So anyway, that's what we've got. We're going to do a lot of practice just like we did today during class. Hope you're having a good one. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.